So good afternoon everyone. Here I am going to represent the Offer Adda. So let's talk about the Offer Adda, who we are and what we do. First of all, before starting who we are, let me discuss about some e-commerce and online shopping. So each and everyone, means not each and everyone, but most of us shops online and purchase some products and any garments or clothes, anything from online. Okay, so what we face is some problems, or we sometimes get confused about products quality or size, or is that product is proper or genuine, something like that. So to solve this problem, Offer Adda comes into the picture. Offer Adda is India's leading deal and offer website. It's India's leading deals and offer website. We offer coupons, offers and daily deals from famous e-stores like Flipkart, Myntra, Jabong, Snapdeal, and many more. So what we do is we offer the best deals. So why Offer Adda? Any single customer goes for online shopping, and when he searches for the particular product, so he doesn't have any idea about its price or size. So what he does is it gets confused. So by using our daily deals, coupons, or any free sample products, he get better idea about its price and its quality. So it's beneficial for him. So we doesn't only provide the daily deals, we have coupons also for the famous sites. As we have some tie-ups with some brands, we provide them try before buy service or some free samples. So at least they should try it before they're gonna buy an actual product. And we have our dedicated community forum where students or some youngsters puts their offers or deals they find on the internet over there, and they can also get they also made some few bucks out of it. So why us? We help you save both time and money. It's a one-stop portal where you can get all your offers and deals, coupons, free samples at one place. So how we do it? First, customer goes for the buying particular product. He searches for all the leading sites like, as I said, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and all. And he doesn't get the proper price for the product, or say that size for the often particular size product. So Offer Adda comes into picture. It provides the deals as per the geographical location of the customer or its product category. And by using those deals and offers, that confused customer becomes a happy one and get that product at its lowest or best price. So what he gets is all deals from the daily deal websites at one place. We have search and filters to find the right deal for him. Lots of deal arranged by the product category. Then all coupons from the all leading e-store sites. And as we have tie-ups, we also provide some free samples and try before buy service. And this is all for free. We have our own mail alert system. Here subscriber gets his daily deals, new coupons, or info about free samples which is out for him, and the partners offers in his mail daily. Want to know more? As we are planning, as we have our own community forum, so here we post some contests so that students or youngsters get an idea. Post some context so that they get interested in it, and they could make some few bucks, and we give them some prizes for that. Our vision is to be the leading one-stop platform for bargain hunters. Here we track the deals and share it with others online. So far, it's all started when we are in diploma. At that time we just write some blog which is all about the mobile tricks and tips. Then one day, just because of our shopping fever, we go for online shopping and we get that particular product at discounted price. So idea comes in our mind, so we start posting it on our blog, and the visitors increase from that point. And at that time, that Google AdSense is new in the market, and it gives us the it makes us, because of it we made some few bucks at that time. So today we have 30,000 plus deals we have posted on Offer Adda. We have 10,000 plus active users, and we have strong fan following. It is nearly about 20,000 plus and counting. So one final thought, when you go for next time online shopping, please make sure you have one stop, visit our offerorder.com and then go for the shopping and just keep saving like a next generation. Thank you. Happy shopping. That's it. Any questions?
How OfferAdda differs from Groupon.com, and there are many
Actually,
players
the
in the market.
Groupon.com, they have some, they don't have some categorized, or we provide the coupons as per the geographical location of the customer. So what he gets is local deals also. If suppose he's in Delhi and he's in some market, and in that market, if suppose there's some offers that one particular shop is giving buy one get one, and he doesn't know about it, and he want to buy the product, so we provide him geographical location also, offers by geographical location.
Okay, so is this application available on Android or?
It's not, actually we are planning to, right now it's just on website, so please do visit offer.com, you will get a better idea about it. And in future, yeah, it's our future plan to implement one Android application, so will customer get its all the offers on mobile.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, by the way, Groupon is also city-based and everything. But anyway,
okay.
good job that you're doing.
Okay.
What I wanted to ask you is, if I wanted to search for a product, let's say a Canon D60 camera.
Okay.
Okay. On your website, can I put just Canon D60 and will you give me the best offer for it?
Yeah, just there is search option. Just put there.
No, not search. I'll just put just the.
Yeah, just
Canon.
the keyword, just a Canon and all. It comes as suggestions. Just select that, and if suppose particular site is giving that discounted price, so it shows. It will show to you. If it is available, then it will be visible to you. Okay.
So it will, if there is an offer for Canon D60 anywhere in India,
Okay.
you will display all the offers, or will you just
No,
display the best offer?
There's the best offer which we have.
Only one offer?
Yeah, only one offer. And excuse me, if you want that, then our separate site as pricecard.in, we are providing over there that all the discounts from all leading sites. But actually, we are not not collaborated both the sites. So if you and in pricecard.in, we have only implemented the mobile phones and e-books right now. So there you get all the store prices and the coupons at the one stop. So if you collaborated both the sites, then you will get all the results. Yeah.
How much on daily basis, I mean per day,
Okay.
how many deals are there on your website?
It's maybe vary. Maybe if suppose there's one day and we posted 100 deals, and there's some days where we post only one or two. So it differs. It's not it's not necessary that every day we put 50 deals. If it is best, then we put it on our site.
And geographically,
And,
if you see it, which is the area in which this application is more used?
In Delhi area,
Yeah.
actually Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah, because there is their customers means their local shoppers and all. They all have their website, so we will track their deals.
So do you have any plan to scale it up? And
Yeah, actually we are planning to collaborate both the sites, pricecard.in, and we are planning to collaborate both the sites, and we may develop an Android app for it. Yeah.
How do you monetize this?
What?
How do you monetize this?
Actually, we have some guys, and they search. Actually, we are the community. We are the bargain hunters. We search for all the deals and all to each sites. If suppose we are on Flipkart, then we search for all the deals. If it's best for the particular product, then we post it on our site.
Yeah, one second.
Yeah.
Does Flipkart pay you for posting this on there? How
Uh,
do you make money?
How do some affiliate agencies they pay us? That's why.
Like what?
Like what that Sagar can explain. So I don't have that much idea. I'm a developer. He's a main guy.
Told about Flipkart, we already tie up with directly we have tie up. So whatever best deals and offers we are getting, we are just posting on it. Offer. Yeah.
Who gives you a check?
They are affiliate agencies we have tied up with.
okay, I think you are trying to get their business.
Yeah, please.